I am Jimmy, this is Fair from Scratch, and today we're going to be making pumpkin spice cold brew. We start out by mixing allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves together to make our pumpkin spice. And we're just going to use a whisk to mix this. Now you can buy pumpkin spice at the store, but I had these 5 ingredients in my kitchen, so I made it myself. And the finished product should look something like this. Now we're going to make the cream that will give the flavor to our coffee. We're going to start off by adding some heavy cream to a saucepan and putting in as much sugar as you prefer. Next we're going to add some pumpkin puree, and this and our spice will give the coffee its flavor. The only other ingredient is a little bit of vanilla. Now we're just going to bring this up to a simmer and just make sure it never boils. And once it's been simmering for about 10 minutes, we can take it off the stove. Now we just strain this into a container that can be put in the refrigerator. And you can see there's a little bit of that puree that gets left behind in the strainer. Now we just cap this up and put it in the fridge overnight. Now that that's cooled overnight, we can add it to our favorite caffeinated beverage. We're just going to top that off with some frothed milk. And add a little bit of spice to the top to finish. I ended up drinking all of that one, so I made another. Now if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.